Charlotte has discovered water. We're on the Laurier Waterfall Trail. Woohoo! We found a tree that is kind of stuck. Charlotte is releasing it back into the wild. Seems like Charlotte and I have found the official spot
for carving one's name in a tree.
Yeah, hope you two are still together. Norn and Joba.
Couples come down here and they're like, oh, look, everybody's carving the names. They're like, I'm for us to carve our names.
We're now having a break with apples. Yeah, the apples are just to pretend we're healthy. So, what have you thought of the hike so far, Charlotte?
It's good. I saved the tree, which is cool.
I filmed that too.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a good day for a hike.
Yeah.
And for apples.
Oh yes, good apples.
We have a pretty awesome view. Yeah.
Oh well, we get there, yeah.
To see who can throw the apple core the furthest. Yeah.
Where did yours land? Oh, did it land at that tree there?
Yeah.
I won.
No! So here are Charlotte's attempt at climbing the rock.
I'm cool. There, grab. So now you just kind of wriggle and roll. There you go. I did it! Woo!
Yeah.
And now mine looks even better.
Yeah. So at least my jacket. And here we see nature's most perfect rock in the shape of a rectangle.
Table from Narnia.
Did they lie on top of it and stuff?
Yeah. Now we sacrifice you. Oh, wait, I need a sacrificial tool. Okay, so this is my sacrificial tool, a nice stick-like object, cutting it from major organs, and then
not major enough, Charlotte.
stab it in repeatedly. And then she's dead. Then we leave.
So Charlotte and I discovered a lake. They don't need to know that. Here's Charlotte at the lake we discovered. We also found things that look like tadpoles. Yeah, basic logic tells us that that's not gonna work. Difficult time for these possible tadpoles. Kinda see it. Okay, so we went off the trail a bit and we followed the sounds of opera singing.
And then they're not there. Like, this guy came up to us, he's like, we want to have a gathering. And we're like, okay, that's cool.
And we were taking too long with our food, apparently. Yeah, so our theory, it's like a foreign opera group. Or ghosts. Yeah, that's always possible.
Look at that, what's that? You see that vibrating thing?
That's weird. The water is actually perfect.
I know, it's so weird.
Charlotte's discovered something. It's shiny and natural.
You see a little, like, peel?
Gremlins style?
I did.
Open now. The light has burned. A lot of video cameras that can take videos.
So please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short.